Alright guys, we're back at Chicago Auto Pros. It is about to be October in about a week. So they're having their season closer car show open house. So we decided to stop by because they always have great cars and they're very clean and detailed. So we're gonna walk around. I'm gonna give you some beauty clips of these beautiful cars that are here today. And as usual, we'll go from there. We got the wifey here today. We got Frenchie here today. We gotta find Hulk. I know Hulk is around here somewhere.
Shut up and sit down.
So that Mercedes right here behind me is legit street cars Mercedes that they actually detailed over here. So hopefully he's around so I could talk to him, see how he likes this car.
Shut up and sit down.
Alright guys, we got bald eagles sitting inside of this Camaro SS. Bald eagles, everybody. Which is a little dirty, but it's American power. I don't know what this car is pushing, what kind of mods it has. Maybe it's stock, don't know, but bald eagles. There's my wife with the child. We're out, boys.
You are?
Good seeing you guys.
Nice to see you, my man.
See ya, bro.
All right,
See
bro.
ya.
See you next time, okay?
For sure, for sure.
Yeah.
All right, that's gonna wrap up this video. We came to Chicago Auto Pros season closer. There's their shop behind me. Of course, always turn out great cars. Jason was here. Can't wait for next year and see what they have in store. I was talking to Jason, he's gonna start a new idea of making videos for his YouTube channel, which are more in-depth customer base. I can't wait to see those, and that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, as you already know.